Hello, good morning. Myself Manju Samaria, Assistant Professor in Economics, Government College Talk. Today's my topic meaning and definition of national income. What of meaning of national income? National income means the value of goods and service protected by a country during a financial year. Thus, it is the net result of all economic activity of any country during a period of 1 year and its value in terms. Now, introductions. National income is an uncertain term which is used interchangeable with national dividend, national output, and national expenditures. On this basis, national income has been defined in a number of ways. In common parlance, national income means the total value of goods and services produced actually in a country. What is the content? First we define of national income, and second concept of national income, third method of measuring national income, and fourth of difficult of limitations in measuring national income, and fifth importance of national income analysis, and sixth interrelations in among different concept of national income. All the first be defined of national income. The definition of national income can be grouped into two classes. One, the traditional definition advised by the Marshall, Picou, and Fisher, and two, modern definitions. Now, first, Marshall definitions. According to the Marshall, the labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resource product annually in a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterials, including service of all kinds. This is the true net annual income or revenue of country or national divided. In the definitions, the word net refers to deductions from the group national income in respect of depreciations and wearing out of machines, and to this must be added income from abroad. Now it is defected of some. All the first is, though the definition advised by Marshall is simple and comprehensive, yet it suffers from a number of limitations. First, in the present day words, so varied and numerous are the goods and service products that it is very difficult to have a correct estimation of them. Consequently, the national income cannot be calculated correctly. Second, there always excite the fear of mistake of double counting, and hence the national income cannot be correctly estimated. Double counting means that a particular commodity of service like raw material or labor, etc., might get included in the national income twice or more than twice. For example, a present sale that worth of rupees 2000 to a flour mill which sell where wheat flour to in the wholesale, and the wholesaler sell it to the relation who in terms sell it is the customer. It is time this wheat or its flour is taken into consideration, it will work out of rupees 8000, whereas in actuality there is only an increase of rupees 2000 in the national income. Now, third defects. It is again not possible to have a correct estimation on national income because many of the commodities product are not market, and the producer either keeps the produce for self consumption or exchange it for the other commodities. It generally happen in an agriculture's oriented country like India. Thus, the value of national income is underestimated. Now, you please solve these questions. What do you mean by national income of Marshall? Okay, thank you.